Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering your assets and launching Hypic. Do this now. Import the folder with RAW or JPEG files because organized inputs speed edits. Set the project resolution and aspect ratio to match your export goal. This prevents later cropping. Once done, create a named project and enable versioning so you can revert. You should also confirm color space, sRGB or Adobe RGB, before edits, since it changes how saturation and highlight recovery behave during processing. You now tackle the core adjustments to shape the image. Start with global sliders, exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to establish tonal balance. This creates headroom for local work. Next, add masks using the brush or gradient tool. Make sure feathering is subtle so transitions look natural. Use the heal/clone tool to remove distractions. Zoom in for precise strokes. Once local edits are set, apply noise reduction and sharpening as separate passes because they interact and can undo each other if done together. You finish by dialing color and creative effects. Adjust white balance gently to correct tone, then refine hues with HSL and selective color tools to enhance key areas. Add subtle effects, vignette, grain, or a LUT, but keep opacity low to avoid overpowering the image. When satisfied, choose an export preset, JPEG at 90% for web or TIFF for print. Include the color profile. If something goes wrong, reset the affected layer or revert to the last saved version, then reapply changes in smaller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.